Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today I wanted to show you how I create the packaging for my sticker packs. So at the moment I've just brought out series 1 sticker pack, which includes these 4 high quality stickers, and I want to show you how I make my own packaging rather than paying another company to do it, which does add on cost and take away profits from yourself as an artist. So I'm going to show you how I create this. This is the sticker pack I create just from home. And when you send this off to the customer, it looks so much better than just putting 4 random stickers into an envelope. So what do you need to be able to create something like this? All you need is the clear wallets. You can get these off Amazon so cheap, depending on the size of your stickers. Obviously, my stickers are around about 3 inches by 3 inches, and they easily fit in with a business card inside this pack. So obviously you need to get the size of the wallet depending on the size of your stickers. Next, all you need is some A4 card. You could probably use paper at a push, but for how much the card is more, I would preferably go with just a plain white card. And all you need then is a printer. So here we go. Here's the design that we are going to be going with for the sticker print for the packaging. So all I've done here is gone to Procreate. You can use, Photoshop, Fresco, Illustrator, whatever is at your disposal, whatever you use for your art. And all I've done here is create a canvas that's 0.5 centimeter bigger, wider shall I say, than the wallet itself, and then just made it as high as you want to see how the pack looks. That's all on you, but just make sure it's like 0.5 centimeter each side wider than the clear wallet itself. And then once we've done that, I've opened it up onto a A4 sheet, because that's where we're going to be printing off. Put the card in your printer and then just print. I've cut the paper in half. I usually get 2 to an A4 piece of paper, but just so it's easy for the camera, we've cut this one in half and we've got one here. So all we're going to do is grab our X-Acto knife, get a ruler, and then cut this out as neat as we can. You can use scissors for this. And here we have our cut out piece. Please remember when you're on Procreate or Illustrator, whatever you're doing it on, that you do these back to back, because remember this is going to be folded. So we're going to fold that now because you don't want one of the sides upside down. So if you just try and fold this as neat as you can, put a crease in the top. And there it is. Grab your clear packet, your stickers and business card, pop them all in. It is good to always send a business card, just because you never know where this business card could lead to. So now what we're going to do now is fold the top of this over a tad, crease it, and pop on your card. And then we're just going to get a stapler. You could even take this on if you don't have a stapler. It's, again, you're making this to the best quality you can with what you have, so you're not spending the money that a printer would cost you. And there you have it. Your homemade packaging for your sticker packs. Artists always create stickers, always try and sell them. They're not massively expensive. I'll leave a couple of companies and my personal sticker pack that I sell down below in the comments, so you can just tell them I've sent you. There's no ad in this, or I'm not making any money from it, but they're such good quality stickers from the people I use. And as you can see, make your own packs to go with them. You should be selling them quite easily.